Hi dear students, today we can discuss about the turnover ratios. The first turnover ratio is inventory turnover ratio. So we can take an example. From the following information, calculate inventory turnover ratio. What are the information given? Cost of revenue from operation given 4,50,000. Inventory in the beginning, that is first year, beginning of the year, how much stock is there, that is 1 lakh. Then inventory at the end, at the closing date, what is the stock remaining, that is 1,25,000. Inventory means stock only. So we have to calculate which ratio? Inventory turnover ratio. Equation everyone have to study very well. Inventory turnover ratio equation is cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. In the question, cost of revenue from operation given, so we no need to calculate, okay. But average inventory not given, so we have to calculate average inventory. We know equation, average inventory is equal to opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. In the question, opening inventory is 1 lakh, closing inventory is 1,25,000. So 1 lakh plus 1,25,000 divided by 2, we will get 1,12,500. So average inventory got. Now we can combine to the equation. Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation. It is given in the question 4,50,000. So 4,50,000 divided by average inventory. Now we calculated 1,12,500. So 4,50,000 divided by 1,12,500 is equal to 4. Answer we will represent in 4 times. So all the turnover ratio we will represent in times. Solvency and liquidity ratio we represent in is 2, but all the solvency ratio we will represent in times. So interest turnover, inventory turnover ratio here is 4 times. Now we can take another example. Calculate inventory turnover ratio from the following information. Here opening inventory given 29,000, closing inventory given 31,000, revenue from operation means sales, it is 3 lakhs, and gross profit is 25% on sales. So gross sales means it is revenue from, new name of sales is revenue, we are using revenue from operation. So gross profit is 25% on sales. This question how we can calculate, okay. See, we have to calculate here what? Inventory turnover ratio. Equation remember, inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. In this question, cost of revenue from operation not given, okay. In this question, what is given? Revenue from operation given. What is not given? Cost of revenue from operation not given. Then first we can find out cost of revenue from operation. Cost of revenue from operation means cost of goods sold, okay. We already studied the 11th standard how to calculate cost of goods sold. 2 equation is there. In this second equation we can apply revenue from operation minus gross profit. In the question we know revenue from operation is 3 lakhs. Gross profit, how to calculate? They given 25% on sales. Sales means revenue from operation. So first we can calculate the gross profit. Gross profit is revenue from operation into 25%, we can 25 by 100. Revenue from operation is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs into 25 by 100, it will come 75,000 is the gross profit. So cost of revenue from operation is equal to revenue from operation minus gross profit. Revenue from operation given in the question 3 lakhs, and the gross profit we calculated now 75,000. So 3 lakh minus 75,000, we will get cost of revenue from operation 2,25,000, okay. Now, and in the equation we need average inventory also. Average inventory equation we know opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. Opening inventory given in the question it is 29,000. Closing inventory given in the question 31,000. So average inventory is 29,000 plus 31,000 divided by 2, that is 30,000, okay. Now we can combine to the equation. Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. Cost of revenue from operation be calculated 2,25,000. Average inventory be calculated 30,000. So 2,25,000 divided by 30,000 is equal to 7.5 times. Okay, so 7.5, we will represent turnover ratio is in times. So 7.5 times. Okay, in any of the question, opening inventory not given, closing inventory will be the average. We no need to calculate. Any question opening inventory not given, then closing inventory will be the average inventory. So like this questions also practice very well. Okay, thank you so much.